don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Amazon wig. It's a 4x4 water wave wig. I already bleached the knots, so I'm just going to be tinting the lace a little bit. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after. So boom, it's giving scalp before it even get on my scalp. So now I'm just putting the wig on, making sure it fits perfectly. We don't want to look wiggy because that's not it. This wig is 20 inches and 150 density. The link for it will always be in my description. So let me know, if you would like it. Once we get to the ends, because right now she's not giving, but I think she's giving at the end. Hey. So now I'm just going to cut the lace. I like to cut my lace literally right at the front, I don't like to really leave much lace there because that's when it starts to look a little questionable. You want it to look like it's literally coming out of your scalp. So that is always the goal. Ooh. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Make sure you guys follow me on all social media platforms. And make sure you check out my other wig videos, my singing covers, my music videos. Everything will be in my description. So, support sis. I was really struggling to cut because I didn't want to cut myself. Like, I am so clumsy and accident prone. Like, yeah. Y'all see my little braid on the side trying to stick out? Want to be in the mix so bad. Like, mind your business, girl. Look at her embarrassing me. Just look at her. Wow. Now that is done, I'm going to lay my lace down with the same adhesive that I always use, but again, it'll be linked in my description. I'm also not Amazon affiliate, so whatever you do buy that I put in my bio, I do get a little, point from it. So, make sure you support me. I really love curly hair. Like, curly hair is my favorite hair to buy because I just feel like it always looks so natural. It always gives the girls, And now I'm just waiting for the glue to get sticky. While I'm waiting for it to get sticky, I decided to comb the hair out just because I was eager to see what it looked like for real. And I ooh, you see me? Ooh. And you see how God humble you? I was acting out of character and God said, relax. Now I'm just going to take my lace and press it down into the glue. Well, adhesive, I should say. I'm going to take my elastic band and just wrap it around so that it could literally melt into my skin and look like it is coming out of my scalp, because that is always the goal. Now I'm going to use my wax stick to define my middle part and just lay it down a little bit, because I think if I don't do this, it'll really give Wiggiana, and we don't really want to give Wiggiana. So yeah, I'm just pressing it down. The hot comb and my wax stick, and both of those will definitely be my bio. You see, not my bio, my description. You see me burning myself? What's new? I'd be trying to tell y'all, I am a klutz. Oh man. I would also like to add that I've had press-ons on for a week and they really stayed. Like, am I a nail tech? Just kidding. So now I'm just brushing it down. Doesn't it look so much better? Maybe not yet, but you'll see. So now I'm just taking my water and conditioner. Put the conditioner I use in my description too. Why not? I always use it for my curly hair. I feel like it just gives. So I'm just, trying to wet it to see what it looks like. And I'm going to comb it out, define my curls a little just to see, what's tea. I also use a lot of body foam to like hold my curls. It's really like a mousse. I'll also have that in the description because this is definitely my go-to for curly hair as well. I want to show you how it looks dry and how it looks wet. I think she's giving. So now the big reveal. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. I have to stay off TikTok. But yeah, I liked it, but I definitely wanted to, perfect it, I guess. There were some spots that I feel like were still a little dry, so I just want to go back in and, just give. If you guys hear the dogs in the background, please excuse the ghetto. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna cut it out. I don't, and I probably won't. Okay, she's cute. She's cute or whatever. Look at the scalp. Like, And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Remember, everything will be in my description. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all social media platforms. Check out my music, my singing covers, and all that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. She cute or whatever. Hey.
Boy, I don't know.